this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions in TikTok. And what you're going to do for this is you're going to click on the plus icon. And in here, we're going to click on the gallery section. And here you can select a video where you want to have the captions on. We click on next. And from here, we are going to click on the arrow down below. And in here we see we have some options. And down below you see captions. And right now it is gray because, of course, you see a dog in this video. And there is no one speaking in this video. And due to copywriting, I'm not going to show you any other video where there are, for example, people speaking, for example, something from a movie or stuff like that. So this is the reason why the captions are not popping up. But when you have a video where there is text speeched out or someone is speaking, then this caption section will become available. And then you click on this and then it will generate the captions based on the audio from your video. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.